Hello everybody, this is Ben Hillis, the master instructor and sensei of Wado Ki Karate. Back at you with another Wado Ki workout video. Today's lesson is a special one. Today we're going to be doing the 9th kata. This is called Basai. Now, this is a more advanced kata since this is the last kata that we do in the Wado Ki system. So this is a very long kata. It's 53 techniques, it's 14 attackers, and this is something that you're going to want to watch again and again just to get the movements down. It's a beautiful day outside. I thought I'd do this one outside, especially since I need lots of space, and you'll need lots of space to do this as well too. So I'll try and be as loud as I can since I don't have a microphone so you guys can hear me out there, okay? Give yourself plenty of space, and let's get started. Touch stance, bow. Do a formal bow. After the 6th kata, you do not go to ready position anymore. You just go right from a formal bow and you start the kata. There's a person pushing you from behind. You lean forward, step to the right, step to the left, inside block, long punch, right hand side. That's your first ki right there. Take your right foot, you're going to slide it out to a left zen. You do an inside block with your left hand. Your left foot's going to slide in. You're going to do a back fist strike with the right hand. Grab with the right, step out with the left, punch, forward punch, left side. Right foot comes in, turn to the front. Left leg comes out, right zen. Inside block, right side. Right foot slides in, back fist strike, left hand side. Grab, step out, punch. Forward punch, right hand side. Right foot comes in, turn to the side. Left foot steps out, inside block, right hand side. Right foot comes in again, back fist strike, grab, step out, and punch. From here, you're going to pivot to the front, 90-degree pivot. Inside block, left-hand side. Cock back to the right and do a reverse punch, right-hand side. That's your second ki right there. From here, same hand, knife hand block, point set, knife hand strike. Right foot slides out to a zen, ridge hand strike, front thrust kick. Hold it in a crane stance, turn to the left. Right leg goes behind. Downward cross block, right hand on top. Grab the foot on the right side, left side, and right goes back to the heel. Right foot meets left, throw. Front thrust kick and stomp kick. That's another ki right there. Crane stance again. Left, knife hand block, going to a 45-degree angle in the back stance. Right foot steps out, ridge hand strike, right hand side. Front thrust kick. Crane stance again, same thing. 45-degree back stance, right knife hand, left ridge hand, front thrust kick. Now, I'm going to show this from the other angle as well too. You're going to go to an hourglass stance. You do a double hook block in dynamic tension. Hands go together, go all the way above your head, breathe in, breathe out. Then you're going to do a horizontal punch, step out a little bit, vertical punch, step out a lot, forward punch, right hand side, ki as well too. Right foot comes up, I'm going to go to a crane stance, groin strike. Take it, grab, pull it out. Then you're going to do a down block with the left hand side. Shift to a zen, palm heel strike, right hand, front thrust kick, crane stance, same thing, other direction. Groin, grab, pull, down block, palm heel strike, front thrust kick. Put that down in front of you, you're going to be in a horse stance. Outside block, right hand side. From here, groin strike, left hand side. From here, step back, chop to the throat, grab, left foot steps out, reverse punch, left side. Left foot comes in and out, face the front. Inside block right, inside block left, step forward, 2-finger stab, feet together, groin strike, grab, pull, down block, right hand side. Last ki of the kata. Right foot slides in and out. Great position. Touch stance. Formal bow. And bow. Tension. Hands in the middle. Lift them up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Horizontal punch. Vertical punch. Then you're going to do your forward punch. Ki right there. Groin strike. Right. Pull it out, down block, palm heel, front thrust kick, grab, groin, pull, palm heel, front thrust kick. Outside block, groin strike, throat chop, grab, a reverse punch, left side. That's the reverse motion. Now we're gonna do the whole thing full speed. Okay, as I said, watch the beginning part again and again just so you get the movements of it. But this is gonna be the whole thing in full speed this time. Jump! Jump! All right, that's the kata. 9th kata, Basai, 53 movements, 14 attackers. When you're done, you should be winded just like I am, okay? Watch this again and again, just so you get all the details of it. Thanks again for watching. Check in for tomorrow for another video. Bye.